Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham, and my inspiration for today's nail art is Taylor Swift's music video of You Need to Calm Down. So here are my base colors. I painted my index and middle nail with light blue, nude for my pinky nail, and white for my ring and thumbnail. I'll be using a dotting tool to place some horizontal rainbow dots on my nails. This design is called scallop nails. Then after that, do the cleanup. I also did this kind of design on my thumbnail. Now for my index nail, I'll be painting a burger. Then after that, I added some details to it. Then for my middle nail, I'm painting French fries. And then I added details. And as for my pinky nail, I stamped some butterflies. And after letting it to dry, I applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!